Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video today I will show you that how you can apply as a software engineer freshers arts in Microsoft company. Okay. So in this video today I will show all the process of the apply. So here you can see here the date posted is 26th June, and here you can see the work site. Here up to 50% work from home, and role type individual contributor, and discipline software engineering. Okay. So now come to our qualification. So qualification bachelor's or master degrees in computer science or a related field or equivalent work experience. Okay. Then solid programming skill in one or more of the following languages like C hash, Java, C++, or Python. And number three, passion for developer experience and an eagerness to understand what makes great tools. And number four, excellent written and verbal communication skills with the ability to collaborate across diverse distributed teams. Okay. So now here you can see the responsibilities of this job. Okay. So so in this job here you can see here most of the work is within the AI. Okay. You can see the benefits of this job like educational resources, saving and investment, and also industry leading healthcare, uh, and also discounts on products and services and etc. Okay, now it's time to apply in this job. You can simply click the apply button, then sign in some of the account like Microsoft, LinkedIn, Google, or Facebook. So I suppose open my account as a LinkedIn. So I click LinkedIn, then sign in, then allow. So okay, so here you can see that I sign in this page. Okay, then I okay, so now I simply click the apply button, then here you can see my name, then contact, then my resume, then my experience, and click here, then save and continue. Okay, and after that here you can see, so first yes, this is also yes, then save and continue, then save and continue, now allow.